Hi friends, hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Dynasty. So Dynasty is a very unique product cause it is totally built for online store building purpose. You can think of a substitution of Shopify. Okay, so in this tool you can create online stores instantly and you can do so many much more stuffs. But I will show you the tool. Let me just clear you that you will be given bonus from this web page once you have just click on the video description link and visit this page. From this page you can click any button you want and you will be redirected to the sales page. That is the sales page, and from the sales page get the tool within $17. You will be given the bonuses. So that's all. Now the thing is, let me show you the product. So the first thing is premium training, but inside premium training I can tell you that there is only one video is given, and that is not about training of this tool, but that is something like you can think of a presentation video of this tool, like additional stuffs are given inside this video about this tool. Next thing is store builder, and that is the main thing. So you can create this kind of stores. Let me show you some examples. So this is one of the examples. As you can see, this looks very premium and anyone can tend to buy anything from this kind of websites, as this looks so much authentic and animation is very good, the pictures are good, the written stuffs are good, the blog posts are real, and also that ads automatically from the owner or from the AI stuff. I don't know exactly it allows AI or not, but it is like you can think of there are some websites has been selected by this tool. So when that websites put any kind of blog about your niche, then the content spinning feature of this tool works. And content spinning feature works like as it can create a new content, a new blog post, and that is totally rankable inside Google. So new blog post when added inside your website, and it goes on and you are adding so many much more blog posts and vital stuffs, there will be so much high chances to get ranking inside Google. My grammar is not good, just try to get the meaning of the sentences. Okay, so the thing is, you can add blog posts and you can sell anything you want from your advertisements, from your what is this kind of ad, like banner ad or maybe floating ad, whatever it is, you can create this kind of online stores. Let me show you some other examples. So this is one of the examples also. So this is one of the examples also. So this is gym product or dietary based website, and you can sell dietary supplements from here very easily. There are so many dietary supplements available on ClickBank, and you can do for Make Money Online. The same stuff can be done for Make Money Online or any kind of, just you need to choose the niche. This is the domain finder, like high value domain or high authority domain. You can find any kind of domain. Let me put here free. Okay, for this example or to make this video so simple, I am searching the freecreations.com. you can see here this has a good backlinks and so many much more backlinks, and also high domain authority. Maybe this domain is so much old, like older than 5 years, older than 10 years, maybe sometime it may be up to 15 years. So just imagine that kind of domains has really good high authenticity, high rankable chances. That is the thing. So domain finder is an additional stuff, number one additional stuff. Next thing is RSS builder. RSS builder is not an additional stuff, that helps you to do the SEO stuff inside your website. But I am not a RSS expert. I don't know how to use it properly. Next, the thing is traffic engine. Traffic engine is an additional stuff of this tool. Like you can think of creating any post and send to the social media and get traffic. Okay, so multimedia posts can be created, call to action post or carousel video, anything you want you can create here and you can send to your social media. But you need to import your Facebook account, you need to integrate your other accounts. Next thing is comment automation. Comment automation is an additional stuff of this tool, and I think that is not much needed. And also messenger tool is also not much needed by the people, because people like to do messaging stuff from their own messenger account or own messenger app, and also commenting can be done from your own Facebook profile. You don't need to rely on any app to do that. But the good thing is you can create the store, that is the main thing, and you are getting only $17. So let me show you now from this page the additional stuffs. 365 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available, but I am not sure about that. I am sure about 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. That comes by the platform Warrior Plus. You are purchasing the tool that comes by from Warrior Plus. And very popular guy Venkataramana, $17 this product costs, I have told you. So for the front end bonus you will be given 29 bonuses, not 30. And for the upsell bonus you will be given mega bonus that comes with 400 plus stuffs. Okay, let me show you. So these bonuses now you are watching on the screen, these bonuses it should be have. These bonuses have 29 bonuses that will be given to you with the front end product, and if you purchase any of the upsells you will be given the mega bonus box that consists with 400 plus stuffs, with software, with plugin, with music pack, with image pack, with doodle character pack, music pack, everything. And PLR products are also available. Okay, so that's all I wanna say, and I wanna show you some vendor bonuses also that comes by default with this product. So this is the vendor bonus. So these are the vendor bonus, so these are the vendor bonus, as you can see. So these bonuses will be given to you totally free. Total 15 bonuses will be given to you from the vendor, and that comes by default with this product. So you can purchase from anywhere, you will be given the vendor bonus. So that is the thing I want to say. And if you click on this button you will be redirected to the sales page, and from the sales page you can get the tool. Just if you wanna let me mute the video. And once you have just convinced, you can check out the sales page and get the tool, and you can claim also $5 discount for the launching period only for 1 day, I think. And that's all I want to say. I have told you. So bye bye, have a good day. Bye bye, thank you, bye bye.